So I just read this book. I finished reading it a while ago. I just been so busy I haven't had a chance to do the video. But it's an awesome book. So we'll just go over here to Goodreads.com, and we got Learning the Tarot is a complete course on how to use the tarot cards for personal guidance. The 19 lessons in the course cover the basics and then move gradually into more advanced concepts, exercises, and sample responses for each lesson help you learn and practice. For simplicity, only one easy layout is used throughout the course, the Celtic Cross spread. Learning the tarot focuses in detail on the actual process of discovering meaning in the cards. Lessons cover topics such as how to consider one card by itself, how to look for card pairs, and how to create the story of a reading. A convenient reference section contains 2 pages of information for each card, including a picture from the popular weight deck, a description, keywords, action phrases, and suggestions for cards with similar and opposing meanings. So I gave it 5 out of 5 stars. I put, this is a perfect book for teaching tarot to others. If you're wanting to teach others about tarot, use this book. I could see this as a classroom textbook for tarot class. There's a reference to each card with keywords, phrases, and relating card. The first part of the book was like doing class exercises for learning tarot. I use this book as a reference for doing tarot readings. So exactly, it's like a college textbook for tarot reading. Honestly, I mean, it's got like I said, 19 lessons with like right here it says 12.1 exercise, 12.2, 12.3. So each lesson, like lesson 12, has 3 steps to it, 3 parts to it. So it's like I said, it's just like a textbook in college. A lot of people give them 5 stars, 4 stars. But I was glad I got this book. I still use it because it does most of the work for you, as far as having a diary or a tarot diary or a tarot journal, they call it. And I'm like, grateful that I had found a book that did that for me. Because and people may say, oh well, you're not a true tarot reader, or you're not good enough then, or whatever you want to criticize me for. I don't care, because that's me, not you. The tarot teaches you that you shouldn't judge others according to what you expect or what you think. For me, this is perfect, so I didn't have to go get it and take time to write in a journal and do all that work. I got way too much more to do, and go look at my freaking astrology chart and you'll learn more about me. I have it on my YouTube channel, and if you can understand that, you'll understand that I need more foundational work that would be time consuming done for me. We were supposed to work together, so I appreciate Joan Bunning for doing this for us, and so I can have the journal done already, so I can just reference back to the journal. That's pretty much what it is, with exercises. It's wonderful. It's a great book, so I appreciate that. Thank you for doing that. I can focus more on my career and my progress, because I'm doing so many things at one time. Unfortunately, I'm 36, I don't have forever to do this. If I would have done this when I was younger, it would have been perfect. I should have done this when I was younger, and then I could have just done it for myself. But thankfully, like I said, thank you, Joan, for doing this, so I don't have to do it. And that way I can, incorporate more lessons in my life, and build off of others before me. And like everybody builds off the shoulders of others. So one time, you know what I mean? It's just part of the process. But thanks, guys. You have a great day.